In today's video, we are quickly going to be looking at a trade management technique, which is known as the trailing stop. The trailing stop, as the name implies, simply means that you are trailing your stop. Now, there are other trade management techniques like the partial close and also break even, but we're going to focus on the trailing stop today. Now, this trailing stop, by the way, is very important simply because it's going to help you not just to manage your trades, not just to manage your losses, but also to manage your profits. And I'm going to explain with this chart that we have right in front of us. Now, we always talk about support and resistance. We have the resistance, resistance, resistance that later turn to support over here after the breakout. Now let's assume you took your trade over here at this new area of support. Initially, you would have had this as your resistance where you would love to take your profit. But then based on the trailing stop where you can lock in profit and then, have more profit, more pips at the end of the day. This is how you'd have managed the trade. Your stop loss normally will be below your buy entry over here. You buy over here on this line, and then your stop loss will be just below that. So when it moves into this area of resistance where you will be expecting to take your profit, you don't set take profit here, but then you observe what happens over here. Price hits this area. Remember your stop loss is at this point here below your buy entry. What would you do? You simply move your stop loss from here and then move it higher. You could move it higher, maybe 2 candles below, so that you are not too close. Because if you're too close, it could easily pull back, hit you, and then continue without you. And we don't want that. So your new stop loss could be over here. And then if you look very well, from your entry being over here to your new stop loss here, no matter what happens, you are going to be in profit, which is a good thing, which is a key importance of using this trailing stop trade management technique. Now, let's look at what happened further. Let's look at how it unfolds. Price broke out of this resistance, and then here should now turn to support. Lo and behold, price pulled back to that area of support and then pushed higher. What would you have done again? You could have simply moved your stop loss to this point here, just at the resistance area, which is below the support. So you are moving your stop loss, which is trailing. You are trailing as the trade moves in your favor. Let's even assume the trade has not gotten to this point here. Let's assume the trade gets to this point. You can simply move your stop loss from here and move it to this point over here. So you can be trailing it maybe 20 pips, 30 pips, 40 pips behind where the trade is at the moment in profit. But then try not to trail too close so that you don't get knocked out. Now look at what is happening. Price got to these highs over here and it has pulled back to this area. Assuming from here, price pushes higher, where do you think your stop loss would be? Your stop loss would now be over here, just below over here, meaning that you are locking in more profit. From this place where you entered, your stop loss is now here. No matter what, you have made a whole lot of profit compared to if you had taken out your profit at this area of resistance. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that you should not do that, but at the end of the day, we're using this trailing stop to do what? To lock in more and more profit. And that is why a lot of traders use this trailing stop technique, and then some traders do not know. Or you watching this video, it simply means that you know how to make use of the trailing stop in order to lock in profits and be happy at the end of the day. Now, if this video was helpful with respect to how you are going to be managing your future trades, then all you need to do is to give this video a thumbs up and of course, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. And if you are looking for ways to improve on your trading, you can as well join the school. We have a site known as our training school where you can get information for free. You can even join the membership area. We have a membership area. Oops, I need to refresh this. Yes, we have a membership area over here. You can see it is just for $50 for the month. So you get a lot of information. You also get our trade management robot for free once you join the membership, and you get other resources and so on. So all you have to do today is to use the link in the description, the school, to sign up to the membership area. And you can also book a call if you have other questions. Thank you for joining us for today's trailing stop video. If you have any questions, use the comment section, and of course, we would attend to you in good time. Thank you guys, and enjoy the rest of the day. Goodbye for now. Cheers.